Hello guys and welcome. In this lecture I will show you how to use this website to visualize the effects of kernels on images and how they are, or how the resulted images are computed through these kernels. So when you go to this website, I will put the link to this website in the video description. So when you went to this website, you will find this image here. So this is the original image, and it has been blown up here to make it easier to see. And you can see here the array of this image. If you put the mouse on one of these pixels, you will see its corresponding value here in this array. So, but the most important here are the kernels and how they change this image. So this is the image we have seen here, and this is the resulted image when we apply a kernel from here. So you can choose the kernel you want. Here, for example, is the sharpening kernel. So the image is sharpened here, and you can change, for example, to a blur image to see the result here, and you can also try the other kernels here, or even you can upload your image from here, choose the file, or you can use live video, and you can see the result here. For example, on your own image, you can choose the kernel you want, or even you can change these values to have a custom kernel and see the effect of this kernel on your image. So this is a great website. I will put the link in the description of this video.